Hey man, what's up y'all boys? Today I am out here at Money Creek and I'm just tying, I got on this little creek bug type of jig and we're just gonna, oops, we got tangled up. We're just gonna work that all up and down this creek and see what we can catch. I casted it out there once and they're biting on it. So oh yeah, we're getting some bites. Yeah, we're getting a lot of good bites. Alright, watch this. We're getting this one right here. I want that bass right there. Come here, got him. Oh my God, let's go. Let's go. Oh, he's putting up a good fight. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. So what are we thinking? Just try and reel him up? Actually, no, let's not. I'm gonna go get down over here. Oh, there he is. And flip. Let's go. That's a good bass right there, y'all. Oh, a nice bass out of the creek. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's go. All right, y'all. We got this nice spotted bass out of this creek, man. Beautiful bass, beautiful place. Oh shit, dropped him, he's gone. Say goodbye. Beautiful bass, man. Right in the side of the mouth. So check this side, see if there's any. Oh, there's some right there. Oh, got him. Come here. Whew. Let's go, y'all. Out of the creek. Another one, let's go. That's such a beautiful place to catch a fish. I see another one down there though, so let's get him released. Oh, I feel bad, but toss him on down. He's okay.
Yo, we didn't end up catching anything else for the rest of this video. But if you guys did enjoy this video, hit that like button.
Ooh, that's a carp right there.
I love the creek type of videos, man. These are my favorite places to
oh, there's a whole
fish
bunch of
at. So yeah, if you guys like those videos, man, just hit that like button and we'll definitely get some more of those coming soon. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching.